The Huawei Mate 80 series is one of the most talked about smartphone lineups of the year. 4 models have been introduced: the Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, Mate 80 Pro Max, and the Mate 80 RS Ultimate design. Each one carries a premium look, new Kirin processors, and noticeable upgrades across design, display, camera, and battery. This script breaks down all 4 models and compares their specifications in clear detail, making it easier to understand what each version brings to the table. The overall build and appearance of the Mate 80 lineup instantly show how much Huawei has focused on durability and elegance. The Mate 80 and Mate 80 Pro feature the second-generation Kirin glass, known for its strength and resistance to drops. Along with that, both models come with an IP68 rating for dust and water protection, including 6-meter water resistance, and even IP69 for protection against high-temperature and high-pressure water jets. Moving to the higher models, the Mate 80 Pro Max also offers second-gen Kirin glass in the same IP68 and IP69 protection levels. But it stands out with its all-metal ultra-reliable outer frame that gives the device a more solid and premium feel. The Mate 80 RS Ultimate design model takes things even further. It comes with an exclusive high-gloss titanium basalt mid-frame, which not only enhances durability but also gives the phone a unique look. On the front, it uses third-generation basalt-tempered glass while the back uses second-generation basalt glass. This model also retains IP69 protection, matching the toughness of Huawei's top flagship standards. In terms of display and size, the Mate 80 and Mate 80 Pro share a 6.75-inch flat screen with a smooth 2.5D finish. Both have the same measurements of 161A5 by 76 by 795 millimeters. The only difference is weight. The Mate 80 weighs 217 grams and the Pro weighs slightly more at 219 grams. The Pro Max and RS Ultimate models take the display size up a level. Each comes with a 6.9-inch flat dual-layer OLED panel. Their dimensions are also identical at 164.4 by 79 by 825 millimeters. The difference appears in weight, where the Pro Max weighs 239 grams and the RS Ultimate, with its premium frame, weighs 249 grams. The processor selection in the Mate 80 series is one of the most exciting updates. Huawei introduced 2 new chips, the Kirin 9-30 and the more powerful Kirin 9-30 Pro. The Kirin 9-30 chipset is available only in the Mate 80 Pro models with 12GB RAM. Every higher-end model, including Mate 80 Pro 16GB versions, the Pro Max, and the RS Ultimate, runs on the Kirin 9030 Pro. The standard Mate 80 uses the Kirin 9020 5G chip, offering strong performance for everyday needs. All 4 phones run Harmony OS 6.0 out of the box. This new software offers smarter AI features, enhanced battery management, and a special outdoor mode that can stretch usage up to 14 days. The top models also come with Extreme Rescue Mode for emergency situations, ensuring the device stays operational even when the battery is critically low. Communication features are another area where these models differ. The Mate 80 and Mate 80 Pro support dual nano SIM cards along with B2 satellite messaging. The Pro Max supports dual nano SIM cards and dual satellite communication, offering even better connectivity in regions without mobile signals. The RS Ultimate leads the lineup with dual nano SIMs, dual eSIM support, and dual satellite communication, making it the most advanced communication device in the series. The camera system across the lineup is built around Huawei's second-generation multispectral camera technology. All models come with a 13-megapixel selfie camera and 3D depth sensing features, but the rear camera setups differ. The Mate 80 offers a 50-megapixel main camera, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and the multispectral camera. The Mate 80 Pro upgrades the telephoto lens to 48-megapixel for better optical zoom quality. The Mate 80 Pro Max and the RS Ultimate share the same premium camera system. They include a 50-megapixel ultra-high dynamic main camera, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel macro telephoto lens for super close shots, and an additional 50-megapixel super telephoto camera. With a multispectral sensor included as well, these 2 models deliver the most versatile photography experience. Battery performance also sees big improvements. The Mate 80 and Mate 80 Pro pack a FEV 750 mAh battery. The standard model supports 66W wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, while the Pro boosts speeds to 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless, along with 18-watt reverse charging support. Both the Mate 80 Pro Max and the RS Ultimate come with a larger 6000 mAh battery and the same fast charging capabilities as the Pro model. The Huawei Mate 80 series clearly offers something for everyone, from a strong and stylish base model to advanced flagship options with premium materials, top-tier cameras, and cutting-edge processors.